What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So I wanted to do a review on this stuff here. We did have some bubbles going into the coolant. I used about 3/4 of a bottle of this stuff, and it did seal it. So I went on and took the thermostat out because I wanted to put 161 in there, and it was clear there. It wasn't clogged up or anything, but it's got a head gasket leak, and the spark plugs were fouled. So I changed one of the spark plugs, and it's running a little better now. This is just tips and tricks to